So one of the best ways to catch fish pretty much year-round, spring to fall, is to use crankbaits. But one of the finishing touches that can really make your day a great day as compared to a good day is to figure out the right color for that fish to be biting. So what I brought out here was one of my boxes. This is my 7 flicker shad box, something I bring in the boat. It's got a whole variety of colors because I like to throw a lot of colors at them all at once and then let them kind of start picking out which colors they like. Now, I can't obviously run every color that's in here, so what you got to do is look at your situation a little bit. If you've got a lake that's fairly clear, meaning that the fish can use their eyes to see the bait, and it's kind of low on bait, there's not a lot of food around, then a lot of times what I'll lean towards first is more of the natural colors. You know, things that look like an actual bait fish down there, you know, the perches, the silvers, much more muted colors, I'll call them. A secondary situation is if you got dirty water, or if you've got a situation where there's a lot of bait around, they've got plenty of perch to eat or plenty of smelt to eat. Then a lot of times what I'll go to is what I call the gaudy colors. You know, the really bright colors like this, the fire tigers, the pinks, the purples, things that don't look like anything down there, but they're actually very visible in dirty water, and it gives them something different to eat than all this bait fish that they have swimming around. And just be careful when you say fire tiger, you know, fire tiger can mean the regular fire tiger, a brighter fire tiger, a slick fire tiger. It could be just a little bit of a red hot tail on there. Could make all the difference in the world. So just start playing around with that. Now, if I'm gonna look at baits that I'm gonna just use just about everywhere, in almost every situation, it would be these lures over here. And a lot of these are what I call the white lures. You know, they got a lot of white in their sides. This one here is called pearl white. We actually call it mouse a lot of times, a little bit of gray on top. Chartreuse pearl. Racy here is a great color. It's got a little bit of blue in there. Blue is a great color. So those are some real good general colors. And you'll notice I threw in this one right here. This is called slick black pearl. Doesn't look like much to a fisherman, but I tell you what, with those 2 little orange dots on the bottom, this dark slick side, this is one of our go-to lures everywhere we go. So if you take those 4 lures, maybe add in a fire tiger over there, you've got a real good starting set just about anywhere you fish. So when you're starting to figure out the color of crankbait that you should be using for a day, play around with a lot of colors, maybe go with those rules of thumbs for your first choices, but then let the experts pick the color that they want, and the experts are the walleyes.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.